रोज बोले जाने वाले अंग्रेजी वाक्य। मुझे वहाँ जाना पड़ता है। I have to go there. I have to go there. उसे क्यों जाना पड़ता है? Why has he to go? Why has he to go? मुझे जाना था। I had to go. I had to go. क्या मुझे जाना पड़ा? Had I to go? Had I to go? आप अभी तक जाग रहे हैं। You are still awake. You are still awake. कुर्सी लीजिए। Have a chair, please. Have a chair, please. बैठिए। Please be seated. Please be seated. आजकल मेरा हाथ तंग है। I am hard up these days. I am hard up these days. कोई बढ़िया बावर्ची रख लो। Engage some expert cook. Engage some expert cook. आपका क्या हाल चाल है? How are you? How are you? जुबान फिसल गई। It was a slip of tongue. It was a slip of tongue. तुमने ऐसा क्यों सोचा? Why did you think so? Why did you think so? ऐसा सोचना भी मत। Don't even think so. Don't even think so. तुम कहाँ से आ रहे हो? Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? आप मुझे पागल लगते हो। You seem to be mad to me. You seem to be mad to me. आप मुझे स्वार्थी लगते हो। You seem to be selfish. You seem to be selfish. ये करना गलत है। This is wrong to do it. This is wrong to do it. तुम क्या देख रहे हो? What are you looking at? What are you looking at? मैंने उसे बैठने के लिए कुर्सी दी। I gave him a chair to sit on. I gave him a chair to sit on. वह कैसा आदमी है? What sort of person is he? What sort of person is he? ये लगभग असंभव है। It's almost impossible. It is almost impossible. तो फिर मैं क्या करूँ? Then what do I do? Then what do I do? शायद वो जा रहा होगा। He may be going. He may be going. वो ज़रूर जा रहा होगा। He must be going. He must be going. ऐसा भी नहीं है। Not really. Not really. बिल्कुल नहीं। Not at all. Not at all. आप एक काम करिए। You do one thing. You do one thing. मुझे तुमसे बात करनी है. I need to talk to you. I need to talk to you. तुम कहाँ से हो? Where are you from? Where are you from? मैं हमेशा वहाँ जाता हूँ. I always go there. I always go there. वो मुझसे मिला. He met me. He met me. वो मुझसे मिल चुका है. He has met me. He has met me. वो मुझसे मिल चुका था. He had met me. He had met me. तुम मेरे पास क्यों आए? Why did you come to me? Why did you come to me? मैंने उसे देखा था. I had seen him. I had seen him. लोग ऐसा क्यों सोचते हैं? Why do people think so? Why do people think so? वो मुझसे बात करता है. He talks to me. He talks to me. वो कभी-कभी मेरे घर आता है. He sometimes comes my home. He sometimes comes my home. क्या वो वहाँ जाता है? Does he go there? Does he go there? क्या तुम मुझसे मिलोगे? Will you meet me? Will you meet me? क्या वो स्कूल जा रही है? Is she going to school? Is she going to school? अब बोलने की आपकी बारी है. Now it's your turn to speak. Now it's your turn to speak. अब तक आप मुझे सुन रहे थे. So far you were listening to me. So far you were listening to me. इसने लाखों लोगों के दिल तोड़ दिए हैं. It has hurt lakhs of people. It has hurt lakhs of people. आपके साथ कौन रहता है? Who lives with you? Who lives with you? आपके साथ कौन-कौन रहते हैं? Who all live with you? Who all live with you? आपके साथ कितने लोग रहते हैं? How many people live with you? How many people live with you? मैं आपके बारे में जानता हूँ. I know about you. I know about you. मुझे अच्छा महसूस हो रहा है. I am feeling good. I am feeling good. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? वह मेरा सबसे अच्छा दोस्त है. He is my best friend. He is my best friend. क्या तुम आज आ रहे हो? Are you coming today? Are you coming today? मैं तुम्हें बाद में कॉल करूँगा। I will call you later. I will call you later. खाने का समय हो गया है। It's time to eat. It's time to eat. क्या तुम्हें यह पसंद है? Do you like this? Do you like this? क्या तुम मुझे सुन सकते हो? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? क्या बात है? What's the matter? What's the matter? वह बहुत होशियार है। She is very intelligent. She is very intelligent.